Y'all, Outre came to slay with this one, this color, this curl pattern. I ain't about them perfect curls, honey. I'm about the big body.
Cut it, hey, cut it, cut it, cut it, hey, cut it. Cut my check, come and feel the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo, but taking it easy like poco a poco.
Guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new Outre unit from the Melted Hairline collection. I'm wearing this one in the style Miabella and the color DRFF Red Velvet Honey. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your typical cap construction as far as your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb on the back, and your adjustable straps. This one also does come with an elastic band that is not adjustable. So let me just come in and show you guys what the hairline is looking like on this bad boy. So as always with this Melted Hairline collection, they did a wonderful job pre-plucking the front of it. And the lace does go ear to ear. I didn't take full advantage of it because I didn't want to glue the whole thing down, but you get the picture. So Outre did definitely come through with this one. You do see that they did give the sparse baby hairs, which I am digging. So this one is 22 inches. They do list that on the card, and I am loving the fact that they have been recently putting more lengths on the actual card so we don't have to just sit here and guess. So I am 5'3" for reference, and this one is sitting just above my boobs, so it's definitely a very natural length. As far as the curl pattern on this one, the curl pattern was way tighter when I got it out of the box. It was sitting more close to about 130% density, but I did just go through with my fingers. I finger combed it as well as my wide tooth comb because I didn't want those super perfect curls, so I just kind of fluffed it out some, and now it's definitely sitting much closer to 150% density. This is what I'm talking about. I ain't about them perfect curls, honey. I'm about the big body. I definitely love it much more brushed out. Perfect amount of hair, not feeling any tracks or anything like that. You can go in and add heat up to 400 degrees with this one, but I did not feel the need to, honey. It was sitting flat right out of the box, so I definitely was a fan of that. Now the cap size on this one is definitely feeling small and medium head friendly. I think if you have a larger size head, this one may not necessarily be for you because my head is on the smaller to medium size and it's fitting my head pretty snug. Also the fact that the elastic band in there is kind of tight. I think if you have a larger size head, this one could be an issue for you, so definitely be sure to be cautious if you do have a larger size head and you want to pick this one up. Now the texture on this one, I want to say when I got it straight out of the box, it was more so on the soft side. Now that I combed it out, it's kind of more a mix between a soft and a medium Miyagi, which I really like. So let's just pop into the cons and the pros of this unit. It's the Melted Hairline collection, honey. I have no cons when it comes to this unit. Outre, like, you get me every time with these Melted Hairline units. Let's just pop into the pros of this one. So my pros are absolutely number 1 going to be the hairline. The baby hairs, the density, the texture, the curl pattern, the quality of the hair. Outre is definitely giving it with this one. This one definitely is beginner friendly. thrown and go. I feel like you could get a good amount of wears on this one, so I'm not going to classify this as a special occasion unit, especially if like if you picked it up in a natural color, you'll probably get a good amount of wears out of this one. Honestly, the quality of the hair and everything is giving me what it's supposed to be giving me, and Outre is doing what it's supposed to be doing, so I'm absolutely here for this one, and I feel like if you guys pick it up, you will be too. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up and any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.